A new home for big ideas. Yan ang misyon ng Mega World at Common Ground sa inilunsad na workspace sa Taguig. Silipin natin ang Digital Park sa Agenda Weekend Report ni Ramos Macasero.
Pinasilip sa media at mga imbitadong bisita ang kauna-unahang Common Ground Digital Park na matatagpuan sa loob ng McKinley Hill sa Taguig City. Isa ka bang startup business owner o di kaya isang events organizer? Kung oo, baka ito na ang sagot sa pangangailangan mo. Ang pinakabagong flagship location na ito ay ang pinakamalaking Common Ground Hub sa Pilipinas. Ito'y bunga ng strategic partnership ng The Flexi Group, Mega World Corporation at Emirate Incorporated. May lawak ito na halos 2,000 square meters na nag-aalok ng hot desks, private offices at modern conference zones. Kabilang sa mga tampok dito ang expandable boardroom na maaaring mag-accommodate na hanggang 32 packs para sa mga meetings at training. Mga soundproof call booths para sa video conferences at event space na kaya hanggang 80 packs na bisita. Bukod sa high-speed digital connectivity at professional administrative services, strategic rin ang location nito na tapat mismo ng Venice Grand Canal Mall at ilang hakbang lang mula sa McKinley Hill Transport Hub.
We put a lot of emphasis on having nice and big public areas because we want to foster that collaboration with different clients, members, or guests that we have. And at the same time, we also want to move away from the usual layout of having plenty of offices, tight hallways, tight common areas. We want to have a nice space for everyone to collaborate, to meet new people, new connections, and having a proper space is actually a catalyst. So that's one of the focuses of Common Ground.
Sa pamamagitan ng live, work, play township model ng Mega World at agility ng Common Ground, inaasahang mas madali nang makakapag-expand ang mga local at international enterprises sa Metro Manila. Para sa Agenda Weekend, Remus Macasero, Billionaire News Channel.